Hey guys, so I just got the most exciting package in the mail. I ordered something that I've wanted for a very long time. So of course I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Like what? Rhode is everything. There's nothing better. Oh my gosh, so it's in this little package and I literally need to open it right now. Shut up. Shut up. I'm so obsessed with this. I will be taking this everywhere this summer.